Hey, what's up people? It's your boy Jojo. You're welcome to my channel. Yeah, today I just want to do a quick review and check on this new SYNCO Lav-S8 external microphone that I ordered. I'm going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to be trying it out and see how useful it is and how better my audio will sound if I record using an external microphone as compared to the microphone on my Canon camera. If you know, so let's get into it. First, I ordered this SYNCO Lav-S8 microphone. I'm hoping that the audio would be better if I use an external microphone as compared to the microphone on my camera. So let's see what we have in the box. So here we go. I think I have a bag here. The microphone is in the bag. I'm just gonna open up the bag. Okay, there we go. So this is it right here. Okay, so this is the clip. I think it comes with a battery as well. It comes with a battery. So where's the microphone itself? So here is the microphone. There's the microphone. It has like an adapter here. It has a connector here. Okay. So I have the battery. I think the battery would have to go in here somewhere in here. I'm going to open it up and put it in. So just a moment guys, let me position the camera properly. Okay. I see. So it has the battery has to go in there. So let me just let me put the battery in. As you can see, that's the battery. I'm just going to slide it in here. Just like that. that. Okay, so just try and close it up. Just gonna try and close it up here. Okay, so I've just installed the clip with the noise filter on the microphone. That's the foam, and I have the clip on it as well. So I'm going to connect this microphone to this camera, and let's see whether the light here will show, because the light is supposed to come on. The light right here should come on. The light should show up there, and so let's connect it quickly. Let's see. So I'm just going to take the jack right here, connect it to where I have to my camera microphone area. Oh, as you can see, the green light is on. Yeah, now that the camera is connected, so I'm going to just do a little bit of recording now. So guys, this is how we're going to start the recording. Let's test this. We're testing. Yeah, so this is JojoConnect. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. Okay, we're trying out the SYNCO Lav-S8 external microphone with my Canon camera. Okay guys, this is a test without the Lav-S8 microphone. We're going to compare it with the external Lav-S8 microphone, and let's see the difference. Okay, alright guys, I'm just tested out on the SYNCO Lav-S8 microphone now. This is a test with the microphone. Okay, so guys, as you can all see, the Lav-S8 microphone actually reduces all forms of external noise. You can hear me clearly now. So I think it's a very good idea to use an external microphone, and this is quite cheap. I got it on Amazon. It's I think it's less than £20. So just go ahead and try your hands on one of this, and I'm sure your audios will be better for your videos. I hope you've actually learned something, and I see you guys in my next video. Cheers.